All right. So then you caught a cold about 2 days ago, or the cold symptoms began about 2 days ago.
Right.
And
That's
what are you experiencing? Post-nasal drip or little chills or what?
Sore throat, tightness in my upper chest,
Mm-hmm.
um, mucus, sneezing, coughing, a bit of a headache. So it's all kind of upper.
Yeah, upper respiratory symptoms.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And then I just diagnosed you. I think you're either yellow or the red body type. You said that you get motion sick easily. Your lower ribs do flare out. Not too much, but not too small either. I'd say somewhere like small to somewhere in between slight and moderate. Maybe towards more moderate amount coming out. It's not good or bad, it's just a characteristic. Pelvic bone, I palpated. Your ASIS, anterior superior iliac spine, is on the larger side, medium to large. Symphysis pubis is small, okay, but the visual look is that your pelvic bone is wide and it's a little bit bigger side. Would you agree, or compared to your frame, your pelvis is?
It's probably wider.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, all right. So I'm of the same view. That means is that you're likely a cold type rather than a warm type.
Yes.
Okay, cold type is symbolized with the yellow and red because they're both the cold types. Yellow is cold, damp. Yep, red is cold, dry. The blue and the green are the warm types. I know the color scheme is opposite
Mm-hmm.
because if you're that type, you want to think about the therapeutic stuff all the time. That becomes therapeutic. Otherwise, for some reason, you don't like the association, right? So it's for the person. Okay. What do I mean by cold and hot? Well, let's do the exercise. Mint, is that cooling or warming?
Cooling.
Yes. Cucumber.
Cool.
Yes. Celery.
Cool.
Yes. Aloe vera juice.
Cool.
Yes. Cinnamon.
Warm.
Yes. Ginger.
Warm.
Yes. Turmeric.
Warm.
Yes. You know they're all good for inflammation of the gut.
Yes.
Yeah. If you're problem focused, I have this issue. I have IBS. I have ulcerative colitis. I have Crohn's disease. I have that. I have this digestive issue, okay, including acid reflux. Well, what's gonna treat it? Okay. Well, yeah, right. You either take antacids or proton inhibitors or bowel movers or bowel stoppers. What else is there? Well, probiotic. That's natural.
Probiotic.
That's
yeah.
natural. Okay. So there's not much out there, right?
No.
So therefore, what is out there to help me out? Okay, just restrict my diet then.
Yes.
Okay. But there are lots of Chinese herbs that help to improve digestive system. Like you could reverse the problem. Okay. I'm talking about the irritable bowel because I'm making that association because you're familiar with this too. Okay. For the cool types, cinnamon and ginger combination works for the cold very well.
Cinnamon and ginger.
Yeah, you have cinnamon powder at home, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder with half a teaspoon ginger powder 3 times a day, every 3 hours.
In hot water? Or...
Doesn't matter. Of course, hot water helps more, but that's not essential. For 3 days.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. And so hopefully you do it 3 times. Hopefully you wake up tomorrow morning and go, oh my gosh, my symptoms are less, or I'm recovering faster than otherwise.
Yes.
So
And
help
it's
the body help itself, right? It's not about what's in here because there are virus mutation happening all the time. Okay? And this was also successful for COVID. Should I tell you that? By our clinical observation, yes, successful for COVID. It wasn't that a new thing? But we're using ancient ingredients, home ingredients, and mutation. Okay, still works on the mutation too,
Wow.
because it's timeless. It works for the person every year, and every year these things change. You got varieties and you got mutation for the future too, and for now. Yeah, saying a lot of stuff there. Huh? Hopefully it
So
works, so you
because
could
I'm
verify it.
Cool, you're doing warm.
Yeah, cool means is that you're in the cool side within normal range.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody's perfect, right? So then you're either leaning a little bit here or a little bit there. And cool, hot, that's the opposite. And that's what we discovered, not just variation in responses to chemicals or medication,
Mm-hmm.
but opposite. Meaning it could be good for some people, other people it could be like opposite bad. If
Right.
the wrong person takes it, their cold gets worse.
Right. Oh my God.
Wow. Alright, so then I wrote it on the post-it here.
That's fantastic.
Okay, yeah, I'll put it right on your phone.
Great, thank you.
Okay, you were gonna say
Good.
something? Question?
No, that's fantastic.
Yeah, right. I mean, that's a huge claim, isn't it?
Is that
Mhm.
sort of like Ayurvedic?
Ayurveda?
Ayurveda?
Yeah, Ayurveda. Are you familiar with it?
A bit, yes.
Okay, which body? Okay, yellow is Vata.
Yeah.
Red is Kapha.
And I would say I was Vata.
You're Vata.
Well,
Okay.
that's what I think.
Well, alright. Well, okay. You said you're yellow shape, right?
Right.
And then I said, well, you could be that. And then you're familiar with the Ayurvedic system, and you self-diagnosed yourself as Vata, which is a cool type. Yeah.
Right.
Alright. So we're on the same frequency
It's
here.
close, yeah. I would never see myself as red. I'm not crazy.
Yeah, the world have figured out the body types through history of time. Human beings are saying.
Mhm.
So then these different systems, different region, different language, different way of thinking, and different availability.
Mm-hmm.
Therefore, they seem different until you find key to weave them all together. Now you have
Right.
natural medicine that's unified,
Yeah.
not playing separate. What
Yeah.
about that implication?
I like it.
Okay, all right.
I like it. That's very exciting. I can